Hello students, thank you so much for your support through comments and expressing your opinion about the topics discussed in the video. Now in our last lecture we discussed about some of the websites which allow you to purchase the books, okay, and we classify them in terms of some of the categories, and we also go for a conclusion that from this chapter in board exam there are chances that the website names can be asked, okay. So today we will go for another topic, that is electronic newspaper. So let us start without any disturbance. Electronic newspaper. Now the word itself suggests electronic newspaper means what? The newspaper is electronic. That means whenever you try to start your internet connection, automatically you get the notification of the news. There are so many apps available which update itself regularly after 1 or 2 minutes. They are called what? Electronic newspaper. In paper news or in newspaper category, printed news we will receive in the newspaper on the next day. Clear? But electronic newspaper provide information and update it after every 1 or 2 minutes. So we will talk about electronic newspaper. So an electronic newspaper, also known as e-newspaper, is a newspaper that exists on internet. I hope you underline this. If you have a textbook, please mark on internet. Okay, this part. And it is in digital form, not in printout, but in a digital form. It has advantages over a printed newspaper and the news broadcast on television and radios. So here what happened, it have some of the benefit, like for example, you are able to get it as a broadcast, means you can listen also on television, and you can able to go for update it through radio. If you remember, FM radio is very famous in the youth category like yours, where you can get it up to date. It can give us up to date news on issues that are happening worldwide, so you can make yourself update. With the advent of the digital technology, the browser means Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, they are called browser. So the browser can set to select the news as per interest, underline, as per interest on the reader. Like for example, I am interested in cricket, then my browser will show me the latest news about cricket, okay. It also removes the hassle. It also remove the hassle of printing process, because here printing is not possible, or we are not supposed to go for, and further help in reducing the cost, because printed newspaper cost is more, and here almost no cost, because digitally anybody can able to access it. Now majority of leading newspaper now provide e-newspaper to the reader. If you search on Play Store, you will find out almost all newspapers app available, where if you install that app, then you are able to get the updates. Now figure 4.2 shows the home page of the e-newspaper called Washington Post. Now you are able to see here the website of Washington Post. This is the photograph of textbook, okay, clear. And if you see carefully, you can able to find out, it shows here, this is a photograph of December 27, 2013. So you understand that your textbook is printed in 2013, okay. Now I would like to show you current Washington Post e-newspaper. This is the current Washington Post newspaper, and you can scroll and you can able to get all the details whatever you wish, okay, and you can get the benefit also. Since because Washington Post, I hope you understand, relate with US, so majority news you get over here is related to US, okay. Now after the category of Washington Post, our next category is online auction, okay. Now, what do you mean by online auction? First of all, auction means we are talking about buying and selling, but in which context? Online auction word is related with buying and selling, but in which way? In a way where those who go for highest bid, those who speak highest amount, or those who are ready to purchase the product at a higher rate, I mean to say the highest one, they consider as the owner of the product and product will sold to them. You remember those who are interested in cricket, they understand IPL auction. Okay, so in that situation, the same way we have an online auction. Clear? Now in online auction process, we have to learn some of the categories and we have to learn some of the operations done. So let's read word by word first. An auction is the process of buying and selling. So auction is buying also and selling also products. Or we can say service is by offering the customer to bid the price and selling the product to the highest bidder. Please underline. Now highest bidder means what? Those who go for highest bid, those who ready to express highest amount to pay. Okay, product will transfer to them. Now traditional auction have limited participation of people. For example, if I say auction is organized in Bhavnagar, then maximum people of Bhavnagar or Gujarat or India can participate in Bhavnagar. But I am not getting international people who can bid. Okay. So today the same auction mechanism can be implemented using e-commerce technology which allow the people to bid on internet. For example, if I would like to go for auction of this pen drive, okay, then I'll keep the photograph of this pen drive, okay, on website, and those who are ready to purchase this pen drive, okay, they will type the price from their computer. And since internet is worldwide, anybody can able to bid from any area, and if more number of people participate, I may get very high amount for my pen drive. So that is why it mentioned that yes, people can able to bid on internet. This process where people can bid on internet is known as online auction. Now there are many websites providing live auction of goods, okay, where you can able to write the amount at what rate you want to purchase, plus you can see other people also. Now these websites provide the platform for both the seller and the bidder. Okay, now seller means who want to sell the products. If I put my pen drive for auction, then I am seller because I want to sell my pen drive. And our class member who want to purchase, so they start announcing the price, so they are called bidder. When you place a product for auction on the websites, you are seller. At the same time, you can also bid for a product which is placed by other seller on the site. In that case, you are bidder. So if you keep your product for selling purpose, you are auctioneer. Okay, sorry, you are seller. And if you bid on someone else's product, then you are bidder. So in our case, I put pen drive, so I am seller. Okay. Now to sell an item through an online auction site, you need to first register with the site, as if like the way how you go for Instagram and Facebook registration, same way you have to register where you have to clarify your bank detail. Okay, and bank will provide one guarantee letter, and then you can able to participate. This is required to track the item. Okay, what happened to your item? Either you sell or you bid on. Determine the winning bid. Winning bid means the highest bid, and build a database. I mean to say collection of information of seller and bidder feedback. All these purpose you have to register. Those who are members on these websites, I mean to say those who are registered, also required to provide their basic contact information before they are allowed to sell. So if I want to sell my product, I have to provide my all the details. I have to give a certificate that this is the legal product, it's not stolen. Okay, like all this formality I have to complete. Then the member must go through the site and site steps to sell each item that they want to put up for auction. So you have to complete all the formality on website, where you have to upload the photograph of the product and other things. The member generally puts a digital picture of the item and write the description about the item. Like for example, if I want to sell this pen drive, then I will write the detail of this pen drive and photograph and other description. Now, by placing goods for auction, a person get a good price through bidding. Okay. Now see, if I put my product on internet, then it may possible that I get very high amount. Okay, because from every corner of the world people go for bidding. Now how the auction is over? Once the target price is reached or the time limit is over, the item is transferred to the bidder. Okay, for example, if I keep a target base, like I want to sell this pen drive, at the rate of target price is 1000. Now bid start with 100 rupees. Okay, 100, 200, 300, 900, and directly say for example 2000, automatically it will stop because it reached to target price. Now here, even though I can able to get more amount compared to target price, automatically website stop bidding. That's why it is rarest to rare available on internet. Majority website use this technique. Time limit is over. Means if I keep this pen drive for auction, okay, clear, then I go for 1 week. Okay, after 1 week, whoever go for highest bid, they will be considered as owner of this pen drive. Now various payment options are also provided by the bidder. Okay, if I go for highest bid, I can pay through credit card, debit card, PayPal, so many methods available. The seller can get the advantage of getting best price. As I say, I am the seller of the pen drive. I get the best price because from around the world all participate. So the benefit is what? That the seller getting the best price for their products, and the bidder save the time to get the product of their choice. Now bidder time is saved because bidder don't require to go anywhere. Somebody can bid about this pen drive from US. That doesn't mean they have to come to Bhavnagar. No, absolutely not. So it saves time, and from their location only they can able to go for bid. Okay, and they can get the product of their choice at their home. Now figure 4.3 shows the homepage of online auction site ebay.com. Now here also students be careful. Here what is mentioned? ebay.com. Okay, clear. And in diagram what is mentioned? ebay.in. Both are correct. So in exam both are possible. And please, in 12th standard computer subject, MCQ can also possible from diagram. Okay, in the comment section, now listen carefully what I am saying. In comment section, if we receive 50 comments, then I promise you that I'll prepare one special video that which are the weird places or awkward places from where MCQ set by board exam in past papers, so that you can able to understand that corner question means what. But in condition that if 50 people go for comments that yes sir, we want special video about tough MCQ, ask from which area, then on that context I'll prepare one special video and upload it as fast as possible. It is based on to the way how you give response to me through your comments. 50 comments. Okay, now we visit the website mentioned over here, ebay.in and ebay.com. I would like to show you both the ways. ebay.com. My purpose is to show you ebay.com. As you can see here, this is ebay.com. okay, and here you can able to go for products and other things, and as far as auction concerned. Okay, if any auction is going on live, I am highly interested to show you the auction. So I will try out that whether auction going on or not. Yes, we are lucky that we got this. See, since because I opened this website in India, automatically the price is converted into Indian rupees. Okay. Now, as you can see here, what is mentioned? 4D stands for 4 days, 6 hours. Okay, so this will over on Sunday, 12:31 a.m. from United States. Okay, clear? And right now it shows what? I hope you read this. 0 bid means nobody bid for this product. Now I try to search some of the product where the bid is there. Okay. Unfortunately, because of Corona, chances are very less that any product's bidding is going on. Yes, I hope you can see this 29 bid, and it's a watch. So we click on that, and yes, here it is mentioned that right now the amount show on the screen, that is $41, and you can able to go for bid of 42 or more, because some Indians are genius Indian. What they do, 41 is given, they put 41.01. So they understand, so they go for roundup only. 29 bids are there. If you click, you can able to see when the bid available. Okay, at what particular time, every detail available. And here you can able to write the amount. Okay, and then you can click on place the bid. Many of you are right now thinking in your mind that, sir, please click on place bid, we want to see what happened. But basically I not submit my bank detail to anyone, and I don't want to purchase this kind of wristwatch. I am happy with what I have. Okay, purpose is to make you aware about how the bidding process possible. Important point to be noted down is there are 5 bidders who go for 29 times bid. Time left 5 days, 6 hours, 46 minutes. Duration approximately 10 days. Out of that 10 days, this is what left. Okay, you can tell what we able to give any feedback or something like that. Clear? So these are the details available. Now some of the other website mentioned in the textbook, but unfortunately they are not functioning right now. Okay, in 2013 when textbook prepared at that time, these websites are working. Okay, ebay.com I already show you, online auction mybids.in and ubid.com. Okay, these are the websites I want to show you. Right now it is onlineauction.com. I hope you can see it's not working. Not working means the site is cancelled, they remove the site. Okay, same apply for mybids.in, where we have some copyright information available, mybids.in. And the website mentioned over here, ubid.com, then in that context, in that situation, the website itself changed. The original purpose is changed from bidding, it convert itself and go for selling of the products like this. See, now the name is changed. So if you try to write this, for example, if you try to write the name of this website ubid.com, then automatically it will start this website special.restaurant.com and can allow us to purchase the product rather than auction. You can directly able to purchase the product. Okay, so the purpose of the website is completely changed. Okay, clear? Fine. So this is what the topic we need to discuss today. So far we learn almost 9 to 10 different websites. I request you to recall back them, and as I say, you can comment so that I can prepare one video for you about your most important collection of difficulties, from where and which type of questions asked. I want to clarify, if I prepare video about the tough MCQ, then I will keep board exam paper in front of you, and I will keep textbook also, and I will compare and I will tell you from which particular part board set the MCQ, and it's a board exam paper, so you will come to know. So there is no doubt about the authenticity or authentication process about what I am showing to you. It is authentic. Okay, so I will wait for your 50 comments. Okay, and the moment when 50 comments are over, immediately we will go ahead. Okay, in comment you can able to tell me the most challenging question relate with our next topic, that is next topic is marketing and selling. And my question to you is, what is the difference between marketing and selling? Are they same or they are different? Okay, fine. So we will meet tomorrow. Tomorrow I will upload one more lecture. Till then, please take care of yourself. Thank you.